today's motivation is to get things done. Don't hesitate, don't procrastinate. Get things done that you need to. Get into action. So it's a beautiful day in St. Petersburg, Florida. And, here's the clouds and everything, but I'm not letting that stop me. We're getting out, we're getting on the road and getting the things done that we need to get done. In preparation for the baby shower is a few things that I want to go and look at and try to see what I'm gonna wear. That's every auntie, grandma, uncle. What are you gonna wear to the baby shower? So come along and see what I find and what I buy. And if you have not hit the like already, like, share, and subscribe.
But I'm so frustrated. Hello to my loneliness. I guess that ignorance is bliss. Take me back to before I knew. Rewind, take it out of cue. Innocence can be a young man's game. Signed up for the hall of shame. I wish I knew how much I miss not knowing that we're all screwed when we play our roles and ignore the problems.
So we are here at Plato's Closet in Largo, Florida, and I had to do a voiceover because they were blasting some copyrighted music. So let's go in Plato's Closet. Is to find something blue for the baby shower. So let's see what I find, everybody. So I'm here in the fitting room. Outfit of the day. Outfit of the day. So I'm about to try on the things that I found in the store and we'll see if we get something. This is the first dress and I like it. This will be casual at home or maybe vacation wear. So number one. This is the second one, and I don't like it. It has this like dress thing at the bottom. I feel awkward in this. I don't like it. So we're moving on to the next one. And this is this one. It's a romper. I guess you could wear it off the shoulder. I don't know how to show the back, but I like how it fits. So I think I'm going to get this one too. So that's two that I like. And here is another one. I kind of feel half and half about it, but it's the exact color that I want for the baby shower. I gotta ask my sister, what do you guys think about it? So I do like the sleeves and everything. I think it's cute and it's the perfect powder blue, but we'll see. Then I have this. I kind of was unsure about this one, but after I tried it on, I like it. It's definitely giving vacation. It's a split. Definitely giving vacation wear. So I like this one a lot. So. Look at that. So cute for Jeremiah. And look. Hello.
So cute.
So cute. To this store to see if I can find something for my nephew Jeremiah. So let's see what's in this store. And it's called Once Upon a Time. These are so pretty. I can't believe we still have flowers in Florida. And then this one too. Look at that one. I'm right here. I'm coming. No, look at that one, guys. Yeah. Beautiful flowers. Right at the grocery store. It's beautiful. Look at the sunset in the background, guys. What do you see, baby? Blankets. Look at the cribs. Nope. Lisa said it's not up to par. To go out. How you just doing? It's Monday morning. I'm going out with Sissy and I'm going to take you guys along. So I hope you guys are doing, and make sure you hit the like. Let's head out on the road. Okay guys, I've arrived here. We're about to go into this thrift store and see if I can find something. I think I'm going to find something for the baby shower, but we'll see. So come along. People are weirdos. Outfit of the day, everybody. So I'm gonna do a try on. So we'll see which outfit that I like. What's thumbs up, what's thumbs down. We'll see, guys. See, it's a perfect color, but it's just too big, guys. It's too big. See, I still have that thing in my mind that even though I've lost weight, I still am choosing my bigger size. So yeah, I'm gonna have to size down. Yay. Look, quack, quack, quack on the car. So I was walking into this Goodwill, and when I finally went inside, I didn't like the selection, so I decided to not show you those files. So I'll cut to the next Goodwill. Okay guys, going into this Goodwill to try to find an outfit for the baby shower. So I tried this on. It's like a lace blouse. Let me turn it around. Okay. I like the detail. So this is perfect. You can see close up what it looks like. So I think I'm gonna get it. I think I found what I wanted. And I usually like things that have sleeves, but I will make an exception. I like it. What do you guys think? Yes, she sure did. My mother loved red hibiscus, just like I do. Look at the sunset down there. It looks so pretty. I think I'm gonna get myself some peaches today. I can have this twice. And I got turkey bacon pinwheel. Right. Look at this. Has anybody ever tried these? Pumpkin spice cookies? Because I love these. Where are my favorite ones? I love these ones. Chocolate chip takes bake shop. Yeah, I love those, but I also see they have a different flavor I have never seen. Lemon cookies. Look, they have my favorite. It's that time of season, everybody. Pop'ems. Pumpkin donuts. They have the cinnamon ones. I do like these.
But I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak.
You can't blame me. For what? So here is, I'm doing a haul right now. This is from Chico's, and the normal price of this was $8, but I got a half price for $4. If you can see the detail on it, it will be really nice. Let me hang it up. And I did buy the sky blue lace top because I really liked it so much. I love the detail on it, and I think it fit me the best out of almost everything that I got. My next issue is, what do you wear with this? Some leggings, a skirt. What do you gems think? What would you wear with this? A skirt or some leggings? Let me know in the comments. And this is one option that I thought about because I had it already. A long time ago, I went to like this 60s party, and I wore it and I put a scarf around my neck with this pleated skirt, and I have not worn it since. I was thinking about putting this with the lace top. I don't know if it'll be too much, or I don't know, we'll see. So we got a pleated skirt. That's the option for the bottom. I also have this option of my favorite pair of jeans, a dark wash, and it has this, like, it's blue and gray with the jewels, everything. I was thinking about this as an option with the lace top. So that's another option, jeans with it. And another option I have are these black cargo pants. I don't know about this one either. I'm just taking out all my options. So shout out to all you gems. I wanted to say, hey gems, keep on shining. Don't let anybody stop, slow down, or hinder your shine.
You whip up my appetite.